Nigerian Genius. The Nigerian Genius.
Okay, my name is Jennifer, Sim Energy from University of Nigeria in Nsukka. So today we began our day with doing our daily progress report. So what we told the judges in the morning was what we have done so far for this project. We started with our bills of material, that is giving out, checking out the cost price of every component we needed for this project, and we also studied our product design for this project.
As engineers, we study this material, we have known look at this material, which one doctors actually use, which one needs to be sterilized, which one needs to be
and at least we are going to be relieved from the various stresses and the challenges we have in the medical sector. So I wish you the best.
Hello, this is Tim. Our day started out nice. We had a daily report where we had to be accountable in front of the judges regarding our progress on our medical device.
This is Team Esprit FUTMINNA. We need to achieve a lot today. We started in the morning during the presentation. That's the review of what we did yesterday and what we will be able to achieve today by the
yesterday, what we have been able to do is to idealize the whole process on how the device is going to work. We did idealization, and the next thing we also did after that was the bill of material. We were able to do that before even fall asleep. We made sure we did that.
We expect that we are going to have good progress daily, so that by the time we get to the climax, sky will be the limit. So you are all welcome.
Okay, my name is Jennifer, Sim Energy from University of Nigeria in Nsukka. So today we began our day with doing our daily progress report. So what we told the judges in the morning was what we have done so far for this project. We started with our bills of material, that is giving out, checking out the cost price of every component we needed for this project, and we also studied our product design for this project.
As engineers, we study this material, we have known look at this material, which one doctors actually use, which one needs to be sterilized, which one needs to be
and at least we are going to be relieved from the various stresses and the challenges we have in the medical sector. So I wish
we went for
the best.
fabrication classes. We were asked to manufacture a lamp holder. The first thing we did was to measure. We were given our dimensions on what to cut and how to, and we were taught on how to cut it. So we cut our metal pieces. Then we were now taught on how to weld them together, and we welded them together. The first process, that was cutting, was quite easy. It was not as, for us, the challenges we faced today was in the welding aspect. We were having a tough time trying to weld the metal piece together.
After that, we had a fabrication class. We were asked to build an adjustable lamp holder, and we were given some metal rods wood, as well as fasteners, bolts and nuts. So we started out by measuring the length of the lamp holder, and then we use the cutting machine to cut out the metal pieces, and it was scary. But so after that, we drilled in holes into the different metal pieces and also welded the joints that we needed to weld, and then we cut out our frame, our wooden frame, using
Jigsaw.
yeah, the jigsaw, and then we screwed the lamp holder to it. We also made holes for wires at the back, and we finished up the edges, we smoothed it out, and then we glued it with tape just to make sure that everything is nice and aesthetic. So currently we have our design on our whiteboard, as well as the entire wireframe, UI wireframe for our app. We are still kind of brainstorming what the desktop app
And also
the
we
desktop
had
site should look like.
the welding class, and during the welding class it was fun for me because I'm into fabrication and the likes, so it was fun for me. But some people complained that they were tired and the likes. But the project we did today was the fabrication of an adjustable lamp stand, which includes the cutting of the metals, that's the pipe for the adjustable lamp stand, which we used grinder cutter, which cuts the metal into shape, and then we drill through and weld the nuts to it. And also what we hold the lamp holder is a round wood, so we used jigsaw, what we call jigsaw, to cut it round. And most importantly, in fabrication, what is needed especially is safety, and we are provided with all the safety gadgets. As you can see, we are putting on our helmets, we work with our lab coats, that's our working clothes, also with welding goggles and safety goggles in case of cutting and then chips falling into someone's eye. So we're able to come out, and we are almost done with it.
Okay, we went for fabrication classes. We were asked to manufacture a lamp holder. The first thing we did was to measure. We were given our dimensions on what to cut and how to, and we were taught on how to cut it. So we cut our metal pieces. Then we are now taught on how to weld them together, and we welded them together. The first process, that was cutting, was quite easy. It was not as, for us, the challenges we faced today was in the welding aspect. We were having tough time trying to weld the metal piece together. So we were supposed to work on the electrical circuit diagram to complete and to be able to stimulate our products in use. So we were supposed to work on the electrical circuit diagram to complete and to be able to stimulate our products in use. This evening, the mentors visited us and gave us speeches on how we can go about our projects, and we were given the opportunities to ask them questions about our projects. So the mentors came to offer us assistance and guidance on doing completing this project.
Your product can be $100 million, for instance. and then that equipment will be installed in the biggest hospital in the world, and it will serve the whole world, and that's fine. So where the 30k comes in and all that, and below 30k is if it's for consumers.
Our mentors came to check with us and they say something really valuable. We let us leave out time for troubleshooting and contingency, which was something we factored in as part of the assembly process. But with his wisdom, we were able to know that we need to have a separate day for that. So we're hoping that we would make the adjustments needed and get everything done as soon as possible, because the time frame is really short.
So ideally, before you start buying components, you should be sure of your design, because you have to buy again. If your design changes, you need the components to change, and you have to make a new list and buy again.
Please like our videos.
We can't wait to show you guys what we are building here. It's really tough here, and trust me, we are building solutions for you guys.
Yes,
it's going to be fascinating, it's going to be mind-blowing, it's going to be great, it's going to be cool stuff for you guys. So can't wait to show you guys. Give us all the support you can. Like our videos, share, post on your status, tell your friends to support us,
and don't forget to follow Clinton Innovation Center.
Yeah,
and Facebook's like
this amazing opportunity, so they deserve your follow as well.
Our mentors came around today to see our progress, to ask us questions on what we have done so far, what has been the challenges so far, and we've been able to share some of the challenges to them, tell them the things we are passing through, and they advised us on how to go about it. Yeah, I know there are constraints, but that's what most engineers. You just work within constraints, isn't it? Time constraint, another constraint, another material constraint, another. That's what most engineers. Okay, that's
moving further to the green tax they gave us, which is the manufacturing of medical device that is capable of remote access and control. Right now, what we've been able to do right now is to start the framework of the card design. So we are trying to bring out a framework for the design and where every other component is going to be mounted on. And the constraint we are having right now is the strap, because there's going to be a strap around our arm, the arm of the patient. But we hope in time, before tomorrow, we're able to bring out something that is quite feasible. Yes, we are promising to meet up to the deadline. I mean, we are engineers, and that's what engineers do actually. They work with constraints in time, constraints in finance, and they try to bring out something very visible. All our audience out there, we are pleading on you guys to keep voting us, like, share, comment. These things are very important to us, very, very important. So please, your likes, your shares, and your comments, they all count, and it's quite supportive to us. So we are pleased if you can help us with that.
This evening, the mentors visited us and gave us speeches on how we can go about our projects, and we're given the opportunities to ask them questions about our projects. So the mentors came to offer us assistance and guidance on doing completing this project.
Your product can be $100 million, for instance, and then that equipment will be installed in the biggest hospital in the world, and it will serve the whole world, and that's fine. So where the 30k comes in and all that, and below 30k is if it's for consumers. Do you understand?
I want to thank CIC. I want to thank them for this wonderful opportunity. I've learned a lot despite being here only a few days. I want to thank them for this opportunity to build and hone our skills even further.
Yeah.
And for the challenges. We are anticipating more challenges as we go on, and we know that they won't disappoint. So thank you, CIC, for this great opportunity. Team UNIPORT, we are glad to be here, and we are hoping to come out with the first prize.
Okay, we want to really appreciate CIC usually for the work they've been doing for us so far, for taking care of us, because they received us very, very well. We are really appreciative. We say God will bless them for us, and we say a very big thank you to CIC.
the task we were supposed to complete today was to draw an electrical circuit diagram for our product, and to also start the stimulation for our product, and also begin doing the flow chart for our software.
The Nigerian Genius.